Unusual cleaning uses for cola and washing liquid. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. Washing up liquid. Washing up liquid, or also referred to as a detergent, is a special kind of soap that contains a mixture of substances that are made to break the tension between solid materials that are high foaming. Its unique composition makes it an effective choice when it comes to removing grease and oils on pots and dishes. Mild dish soap is likewise a good floor cleaner. All you need is dish soap mixed with a bucket of water. You can use it on different types of flooring like vinyl, linoleum, and ceramic tile. You can also rub dish soap into oil-based stains so it can be removed easily once it is washed in hot water. You can also use it to clean surfaces like countertops, windowsills, and baseboards. It can also be used to tidy up appliances, microwaves, griddles, ovens, blenders, cooktops, and more. Cola. Of course, colas are made for us to drink, but it can also be used to clean items inside your house. This fizzy drink can get rid of hard-to-clean stains in the toilet bowl. Additionally, it can remove grease stains from clothing thanks to its grease-busting properties like phosphoric acid. Just pour cola in your laundry together with your regular detergent before you run a wash cycle. For tougher stains, you can apply the cola directly to the stain on the fabric and leave it there for 30 minutes. Cola can also strip rust from chrome, bolts, nuts, and metal tools, as well as get rid of baked-on grease from pans and pots. Cola is also effective at removing rust from battery terminals. Just crack open a can of cola and pour it over the terminals. Allow it to sit for a couple of minutes. Grab a toothbrush and scrub the rust away. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out how you can use tomatoes for cleaning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.